Hey everyone, I'm Amia from AI Fire. If you're like me, you're spending half your day in Claude and the other half wrestling with the Meta Ads Manager. That ads interface is slow and a bit of a headache, but Meta just released an official bridge called the MCP. It lets Claude talk directly to your ad account, so you can manage everything through chat. I'm using my personal account today to show you that you don't need a huge agency setup to start automating. We're also sticking to Claude Web, the site you already use. No coding or desktop apps required. Let's get it connected. In your chat bar, click the plus icon, then Connectors, and select Manage Connectors. Now, look for the plus icon at the top right and choose Add Custom Connector. We're going to name this Meta Ads MCP and paste the official link right here. While that's connecting, if you want more workflows like this to save you hours every week, subscribe to the AI Fire newsletter. It's where we drop all our latest AI automation tips first. Now, after you hit Add, you'll see the new connector in your list. Go ahead and hit Connect to link it to your personal Meta account. Once you hit Connect, Meta asks which businesses you want Claude to access. You have two choices here. Opt-in to all is a set it and forget it option that covers future accounts. Opt-in to current is more selective if you manage multiple separate brands. I'm selecting all current and future businesses, so when I create my AI Fire account later, Claude is already authorized for me. Now, you'll see a long list of technical terms, like ads create campaign or ads get errors. So why do we need to approve all of this? Because for Claude to actually work, it needs permission to read your stats and write your ad drafts. And there you have it. Your Meta Ads MCP is active and sitting right in your connector list. Now let's put it to work. First thing first, I've got this new guide from aifire.co that I want to turn into an ad. I'll tell Claude to build a draft campaign. I always say keep it paused. It's my safety net, so no money is spent without me looking at it first. Look at the response. It lists the campaign ID and the specific headlines it wrote. And just like that, if I hop over to my ads manager, the draft is sitting right there. I didn't have to click a single create button. Since I'm just starting on this account, I need to know my tracking is actually working before I spend $1. I'll ask Claude to check my pixel and signal status. Look at this result. Instead of a generic, it's working, Claude gives me a full breakdown from EMQ scores to deduplication stats. It actually caught a critical fix for my lead events. This yellow light saved me from launching a campaign where the data wouldn't have been attributed correctly. That is total peace of mind. Finally, I'll ask for a budget audit. I'm planning to launch with just $5 a day, and I need to know if my targeting is actually realistic for that amount. As you can see from the screen, Claude gives me a serious reality check. It warns me that I'm using OR logic, which basically means my audience is way too broad for a small budget. Instead of just guessing, it tells me exactly how to narrow it down so I don't burn my spend without getting results. It's that level of detail that makes this a game changer. Claude acts as a strategic partner, leveraging Meta's internal data to give small creators like us a competitive edge. No more guessing if your ads will work. You're getting a logic check before you spend a dime. AI Fire is all about letting the AI handle the busy work so you can focus on the big ideas. Grab the prompts at aifire.co, and I'll see you in the next one.